we are preparing masala dosha with little millet. Take 4 cups of little millet. To this, add 1 cup of urad dal. Wash it. After washing, soak it for 6 to 8 hours. Now grind it into a fine paste. The next day, add finely chopped onions, green chilies, pinch of salt, and add baking soda. Now our dosha batter is ready. Now to the iron pan, add bull driven oil. Now put the dosha paste and spread it in the desired shape. Fry on both sides. Now our dosha is ready. To prepare chutney, to a mixer add fried onions, tomatoes, green chilies, tamarind, chili powder, salt, and grind it into a fine paste. Now hot dosha and tomato chutney is ready to eat. Thank you. Like, share, and